Welcome to Facts in 5, a presentation of the FRUTKIN Law Firm. We provide our clients with legal services in the areas of business law, asset and estate planning, bankruptcy, and litigation. The FRUTKIN Law Firm has office locations in Phoenix and North Scottsdale. You can visit us on the web at www.frutkinlaw.com.
Hi, my name's John Frutkin with the FRUTKIN Law Firm. I'm here with my partner, Adam Bach. Adam is not only the partner in charge of the downtown Phoenix office, but he is also an experienced litigator doing a lot of work in the real estate area. And today we're going to talk about something that unfortunately affects a lot of businesses, which is you get sued one day. And so, Adam, from your perspective, if someone gets sued, what should they do besides call you?
Well, yes, you need to get in touch with a lawyer, but an important thing that a lot of people don't understand is you need to protect your files. Sometimes people lose things that turn out to be important later on. There's emails that aren't properly protected, files, and so really it is important to gather all the information relating to the claim because employees leave over time, things change, computers go down, and you're going to have some vital information on those things, and you want to collect that because it could make or break your case.
Now, what may happen, and I'm not saying any of our clients have ever done this, but they might find it convenient that certain emails are deleted or certain files aren't kept. What do you say to the people who might be thinking it might be convenient if we didn't have those few incriminating emails?
Well, of course, it's always tempting to try to delete or shred or get rid of, have your computer system go down. It's just not a good idea. It more often comes back to bite you than it does to help.
So what are some of the bite you factors? I mean, what is it that can happen if you get caught doing such a thing?
Well, I've been in a situation where a party did that, and the judge actually had the jury assume that whatever was destroyed was detrimental or harmful to our client. In other words, they look at it in the most favorable light to the opposite party.
So an email that might have looked bad, the jury's instructed this could literally be the worst email you've ever seen. They don't have it, so I'm telling you, jury, assume it is.
Right, and the jury's mind could make that email to be a lot worse than it actually was.
Yeah.
But we don't have it, and so it's a problem.
And obviously there's other sanctions too. You could just lose the case, for example. If it's so bad, the judge could just say you lose.
Yeah, it's just not worth it. You just deal with it, save the documents, produce them, and it generally just works out.
I'll beat this topic to death a little bit more too, which is I've recently had a case where a forensics guy looked and saw that a thumb drive, for example, was inserted in a computer at some point. And so
Right.
The things that you do with a computer are pretty much permanent.
It's hard to avoid it. It's hard to pretend it didn't happen.
Yeah. Okay, so you get the lawsuit, you call your lawyer. How many days do you have to respond to a lawsuit?
You've got 20 days, so it doesn't give you a lot of time to wait around. And it's important to get a strategy in place, collect the documents, and decide how you're going to protect it, your interests. And a lot of times early on, you look at settlement options before it blows up into a hundreds of thousands of dollars lawsuit. You can head it off and reach a reasonable settlement.
So right up front, you have kind of two options. You could either file an answer, which would be a response to the lawsuit, or what else can you do?
You can file an answer. You can file a motion to dismiss.
And there are times when that would be appropriate?
Yeah, or a motion for summary judgment. I've done that before too. If there are no, if it's groundless, if it's frivolous, sometimes the best approach is a motion for summary judgment that doesn't give them the opportunity to try again and revise their complaint.
I appreciate this information. I think it's helpful. I think that if you take nothing else from this, you're obviously always supposed to call your lawyer. So we would love to help you out if you get sued or you need any other sort of legal help at the FRUTKIN Law Firm. We also do these periodic videos, and if there's a topic that you'd like to have us discuss, go ahead and email us at info@frutkinlaw.com, and we'll make that the subject of a future video. Thanks, Adam.
Thanks.
Facts in 5 was brought to you by the FRUTKIN Law Firm. Facts in 5 is a series of short, general, informational presentations for the public. This is not legal advice. You should contact an attorney with specific questions regarding your particular situation. For more information, visit us on the web at www.frutkinlaw.com.